Today we will see how to call value set in ESS job parameter. So far we have discussed about the lookup calling in ESS job parameter. Lookups calling in ESS job parameter. And yesterday we discussed about the SQL also. SQL query how to call in ESS job parameter. How to call value set in ESS job parameter. Okay. So let's consider the example 94 scheduled process scheduling process. What is the name we have created yesterday? REQ header. Okay. So in this example, I would like to pass country name and city name. In this ESS job, we already created ESS job, right? So this is coming from parameter, but we are going to just create just to show how to call a value set in ESS job. Okay, just to showcase the example how to call the value set in ESS job parameter. Okay, I am considering the example of country. Okay, country and city. Okay, so we will create. So this is a little bit tricky topic, guys. We will create the 3 value sets. 3 value sets. Okay, so the country value set first is the country value set contain yes. Country value set contain India and USA. Okay, and whatever the names we have given it, these names. So whatever the names I have given it, India and USA, country value set. Okay, with the same name, India, will create the with the same name India will create another value set and add the cities. What cities will add? Hyderabad, Chennai. With the same name USA, New York, Dallas, California. Hmm? So with the same name India, we will create another value set and add the cities Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. With the same name USA, we will create the another value set, add the cities New York, Dallas, and California. Okay, that's all right. So we are going to create the three value sets. First is the country value set. This contain two values. The three independent value sets. The independent value set. Okay. First independent value set this one. Second independent value set this one. Third independent value set this one. Hmm? So first independent value set, second independent value set. Sorry, first independent, India, second. USA, India, USA. So when users select right from the USA job country India means this data will come. India city. Okay. So when users select country, okay, country in USA job, when users select country in USA job, country cities, this will come. Hmm? Understand right? Users select USA country, USA job will come. So when users select the country, sir, could you check? Which one? Users select city, not city, the country. Second point. Correct. Here is the country. Country as India. First one is India country. Second one is USA country. Cities. Cities will be. You are right. Country as USA. USA job will be Dallas and California. Okay. So this is the requirement. Okay now. First, let's do the value sets. So to create the value set, first what I need to go to setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage. Value sets. Manage value sets. Manage value set. Manage value sets.
Vamshi, browser issue, I think.
Okay. 294. 294. So, on maintenance. sets. Manage value sets. Manage value sets. Manage value sets. What is this one here?
Anna, try dev 123, no? It's working fine.
Vamshi, try it from Internet Explorer. Last time as well, it didn't work in Chrome.
Correct. You remember. Correct. Set up and maintenance. Value sets. Click on plus. Value set. Module name. Module application toolkit. Application toolkit. So validation type independent. String. Value subtype text. 20. This is not required. Save. Manage values. Manage values. Click on plus. So here I will mention India. Okay. Save. Save and close. Save and close. Next, what we will do, whatever the values we entered right in the previous value set, India and USA. Same name, whatever the name we have used, right? Same name we have to use. That is important. I will tell you why we are using that one when we are calling in the ESL job. Same name, whatever the name I mentioned, right? India. This is referring to yeah. So whatever the name we have used, right? I think maybe someone has it. Okay. What we will do, we'll remove that one first. Yeah. Module. Application toolkit. Independent. Character. Save. Manage values. And what are the values we need to add for India? So ID. Cities. Hmm? Okay, right? Then create one more value set. Yes, same name we have to use. Why we are using same name, I will tell you. So why we are using the same name? I'll tell you guys. Don't worry. Oh, sorry, it is there. So if you already there, right? What you will do? You search here. Search here. You can delete because our students are practicing, right? So that is the reason it is there. Huh? Okay. So USA module application toolkit. Application toolkit. Validation type independent. Type save manage values at the class. Understand, right? So these three steps done. Country value set, India value set, and USA value set. The independent value sets we have created. Okay. To call the value set, in ESS job, we have to to call the value set in ESS job, we have to use below path. Lookups we have used yesterday different path, right? Lookups we have used different path, right? For value set we have to use this path. For lookups we have used different path, right? For value set we have to use this path. Value set. Okay. Now coming to the ESS job. Coming to the ESS job. Structure. Okay. Oh yeah. Set up and maintenance. How to navigate ESS job? Manage. Enterprise. Enterprise. It is not coming. Issue now. Basically, when I press the tab out, it will come, but it is not coming. Manage enterprise. Manage enterprise. Enterprise. Getting correct, right? Okay. So manage enterprise scheduler. Okay. So what is the name yesterday we have created? REQ header. REQ header. Click on update. So these steps are little confusion, guys. Pay attention to whatever I'm showing. The value sets creation already you know, right? Already we have discussed. But whatever I am covering next step is it will be tricky to understand. Coding not there, just the steps are very complex to remember. Okay, so go to manage list of value sources. Go to manage list of value sources. First step is go to manage list of value sources. Click on plus. Go to manage list of value sources. Click on plus. Click on plus. So application name, as you know, right? Application toolkit. Application toolkit. Okay, here I will mention redefine only. So here I will mention city, LOV. This name is important. Let's take this name in the here. ESS list of value name. ESS list of value name. Okay. I think I should have taken value set name for the country, right? Okay. So I have created one value set, right? Anyone remember that name? First, this one. Country value set. Country. Chama. Country value set. Not correct? Country only. Country only. Country. Only country. Sure. Anyone remember, guys, exact name what I have given here?
Country value set you have given.
Country only Vamshi.
Only country value set.
Only country.
No, country value set. Country value set.
Arrow, you can go on to search on.
That is okay. That's searching okay. To go back, it will take. So if you remember, you can tell.
Country value set only, Vamshi.
Okay. Thank you. This name is very important, guys. And this path, that path I told you right yesterday. Like that. Save and close. Save and close. Okay. Save and close. Okay, right? Save and close. Just cross verification, guys. I am going to that screen. Value set screen. Not coming here. Set right is not coming. This one. This one, right? This one. I think this one only. No, this one correct. That, okay. Oh, sorry. This one will close here. Otherwise, we get confusion. Okay. Now let's go to the ESS job screen. Setup and maintenance. So listen carefully, guys. Pay attention. Manage. Manage enterprise. Manage enterprise. Click on Okay, so we already created, right? Go to manage app definition. Go to manage app definition. Go to manage app definition. So whatever the ESS app is there, na, REQ,
header HTML.
this also will take in the backup there. So, ESS level. Below. This is list of values source name. This is list of values source definition name. Definition. Okay. Save and close.
Where did we get this path, Amshi?
Huh?
The source definition, where did we get this path?
This is a standard path, Narendra. For every value set, if you want to call, you need to use this path. So if you go to the Google or Oracle documentation, value set how to call in Fusion means this path will come.
Okay. Call
This is
from
what I-
ESS job.
Huh?
Calling from ESS job.
Yeah, calling from ESS job. When you want to call value set into ESS job, this is the standard path.
Okay.
So you will see many articles using this one. Okay. Save on. Okay. Now coming to the search the ESS job. I'm writing step by step this. Search the ESS job name. Search the ESS job name. Okay. Search the ESS job name. So now what I will do? Search. Click on update. So now what I will do? Click on one more parameter. Click on one more parameter. Click. How to create one more parameter? Click on parameter prompt entry data type element choice list of value source name this name attribute value okay save and close save and close okay na? Okay, right? And here where we have to give that value set name, there is a I told you na, there is a link value set code criteria. So in this Vivo, I told you already, you remember yesterday, for lookup tables will be there. For value set tables will be there. So what will be there in this query? Select star from fnd underscore value sets table will be there. Select star from fnd underscore value set will be there in this Vivo. So now what we are doing? Select star from fnd value sets where value set code equal to value set code equal to this name. So now when we run this parameter in the ESS job level, when we run the ESS job, when this parameter execute, when this parameter means when the parameter value execute, so what will happen? Select start from value set table where value set code equal to, so that it will come. How many values will come?
Only one.
Only one. True kada?
To India and
Two
USA.
values.
Yeah,
India and
yeah.
USA.
Two will come. India and USA. Because this value set have how many values are there? 2. India and 2. Click on OK. At this moment we can verify. Save the changes. Done. At this moment we'll verify. City still we have not added. At this moment we'll verify. Yeah, definitely we added only country. Okay. Now, so go to the setup and sorry, log out and login. Log out and login. As of now we added only country. City we have not added yet. So click on to schedule process. Schedule process. Okay. If you click on country, yeah, USA coming. Okay. So now what will happen is, listen carefully, guys, pay attention. When I select the India,
The country cities are
not coming, right? We are not added. So this India name, we already created one more value set, na? With the India name, we have created one more value set or not?
Yes.
So we need to pass this India name to second parameter in the value set code criteria. Got it or not?
Yes.
See, in the second list of values, listen carefully, guys. This is the very important. In the second list of second parameter, value set code criteria, we need to pass this name. With this name, we already created a list of values or not? The value set we have created, right?
Yes.
So this value set related data will be right? So little bit tricky, guys, but that is the way it will work. Okay. So let me do that one. Okay. So let's create setup and maintenance. Search. Manage. Files. Enterprise. No. Yeah. No need to go to manage stuff values. Yes, a job name. Go to yes, a job name. So these points are interview point after they will ask. So create one more parameter. Create one more parameter. Click on plus. Create one more parameter. Click on plus. City. Data type should be string. Page element. Size list. So whatever the list of values, whatever the this one we have created, right? Same name you can use. Same name. So whatever the same name you can use. Same name you can use. Same name you can use. Select the value. Select the value. Okay. So at this moment, guys, when you create any when you create any value set by calling in the ASL job, it will come all the data first time. First time it will come all the data, whatever the value sets are there, that all the data will come. But how to validate that one only specific data should come? I will tell you that. Save and close. In the city value set is there, na? In the city value set, click on this link. Click on manage dependencies. Click on manage dependencies. So, okay. In the city parameter, which we created, right? We need to pass this name. We need to pass this name. We need to pass this name. I will tell you how to pass. Value set code criteria. So mapped parameter is there, na here? There is a mapped parameter is there or not? Did you observe? In the mapped parameter, you can use country. So what is the meaning, guys? Tell me. I will tell you. So what is the meaning? Select star from FND value sets table where value set code equal to whatever the, for example, if I select the country India, that India will be passed to this query. For example, in the country values, country list of values, if I pass the India, India will be passed like this. Why it will be passed? Because I selected the country parameter in the mapped parameter section. This logic understand or not? I will tell you once again, guys. So in the value set PO, what will be there? Select star from FND value set is there. For example, if I select the country India, that India value will be passed to here. For example, country value set USA, that USA value will be passed to here. Understand, Narendra?
Yes, Vamsi. Vamsi have creating different value sets, Vamsi. For the country, you have different value set, and city, you have the different value set.
Then it will not work here.
Huh?
We have to design like these value sets.
Okay, with the same name.
Same names. Then only it will work.
For both value sets.
For both the value sets. That means in the first value set, whatever the names we have given, right? With the same names, we have to get another value set. That in the design only, in that design only, it will work. So that is the way Oracle has given approach to call the dependent list of values in the ESS job. Click on OK. Save and close. Last 5 minutes, whatever I explained, very, very important. Maybe if you are not understanding, you can watch the video. Okay, once again. Huh? Schedule process. Schedule process. Schedule process. REQ. See now, country India. Coming right. So why it is coming? Because this parameter name we have passed to where condition. Mapped parameter we have given, right? So in this, while you create the city list of values, we have mentioned the link section as this parameter name as the mapped parameter. That means what? Whatever the value selected here, that value will be passed to where condition of the value set tables. If I select the India related country cities will come. If I select the USA, that USA will be passed to the city value set table, and it will give the USA. Understand or not?
How to set the sequencing, Vamsi?
Yeah, sequence is simple only. I will show you. Arrow mark is there. Manage. Price. And the price. RQ process. RQ data. Sequence in the first you can put it. Okay, Narendra.
Okay, Vamshi.
Change the name. This parameter name we can change to parameter prompt.
Prompt.
You told her the name should be same, right, Vamshi?
Hmm?
From the report level, from the data model, the name should be same, right, for this.
Sequence is enough. Let's try.
Visually, we can give anything, Harshit.
Parameter prompt is there, na? So this parameter prompt sequence should match in the data model level. This name can be any name. Let's try. Okay, but not sure 100%. If it is not working, you can give the same name. Huh? So now I'm giving same one close. Let's see.
The parameter name should be same.
Okay, let's try now. Even if you give the sequence also, for example, in the data model we have a sequence, right? 2, 1, 2, 3 like that. Let me tell you that. Okay. Let's schedule process. Schedule new process. Or if you okay. See, okay, no? So sequence should be matched. Parameter name can be anything. Data model, whatever you are following the sequence, the sequence we need to follow. Parameter prompt can be anything.
Vamshi, that creating that in first value set is also important, right? Where you created that country value set, something like that.
Yeah.
In that we have added country and city, right? Manage values.
This is only, yeah, manage values we added, but these are not the, these are not our part of data model.
Okay, that I know.
This is not part of our data model. Just for showcase the example, value sets how to call, I have shown.
I'm asking that we need to create that first value set as well, where you added that country and city.
First value set added, na here.
You added three, we added three independent value sets, right? Total. First in that we have added country and city. That is mandatory because we have not used here, right?
We have used na country
Yes,
value set. This value set I have used in the country parameter. So this value set I have used for country parameter. This India and USA we have not used. And what you are using, this country parameter is there, na? The country parameter we have mapped to mapped parameter at the city. So that whatever the value you selected, the related data will come.
All three are independent value sets, right, Vamshi?
Yes, all three are independent.
But inside we are mapping that, right? The
Yes.
first one to the other one.
Yes, correct.
So with the list of value, we are mapping two different independent value sets.
Correct. See, there are three independent value sets are there, guys. First is country, second is India, third is USA.
So in the first value set, what we have created the values, for that we are creating the second and the third independent value sets.
Correct, exactly, correct. First value set, whatever the values are there, na? By using these names only, that is the reason I mentioned with the same name, we will create another value set. With the same name USA, we will create another value set.
But initially, ultimately, we are using only for the country value set only, right, Vamshi?
Exactly.
For the country value set, we have these dependent country values.
Exactly, correct. See, మనము ఇది select చేసినప్పుడు, so when, for example, this value set have two values, na? When we select this value, okay, this will be passed to city city parameter. In the city parameter, we have mapped that what is that name? Value set code. Where value set code equal to this value will be passed. If this value will be passed, in this value, how many values are there? This will come. If the country value set will be passed USA, then US related values will come. So that is the reason I'm telling you this is a little bit tricky to remember. This confusion will be there.
Country value set, we are passing it in the default, right? Also in the managed dependencies.
Yes, correct.
So for the lookups, we used to mention it as lookup. For this, we have to mention this value set.
This value set name, correct.
Okay.
So 100% maybe some people will not catch, but you practice, guys, once you will understand.
So Vamsi, now if you want to move this all ESS job to the next environment, again we have to do the same in the
no, yeah, we have to do manual only. There is no automation. That
no
maybe in the
export
future
import kind of thing.
Future releases they will give. As of now, no.
Oh, okay. It's like rework in every environment.
That is the way Oracle is given, but in the future releases they will give that.
Okay.
So in that case, you need to migrate each and everything in the manual only.
Yes, manual only. Value sets also manual, and ESS jobs also manual.
Oh.
100% sure on that.
There is no.
But see, that is the way Oracle designed, but in the maybe future releases they will give.
There is no export and import also.
Not there.
Okay. There is no LDT concept. There is no export and import.
Not there. 100% not there. So we are working on the current projects, right?
But data model can be exported, right?
From the data that is possible. Data model archive and unarchived is possible.
Only ESS jobs need to do it.
ESS jobs we need to do manual. Value sets also we need to do manual, and this one lookups also we need to do manual.
Even the flex fields also.
Flex fields also we need to do manual.
Configuration should be in the manual.
Huh?
Configurations. I mean, creating the CSS jobs corresponding either lookups or value sets and whatever it is, you need to do it in the manual only.
Manual only we need to do. Maybe they will give future releases, definitely.
I think you should recommend Vamsi to Oracle.
Yeah, Oracle is see. This is the now I can say this is the baby growing up.
Okay.
When the baby growing, it is improving, right? So we are all in the starting stage. We are in the starting stage of this product. So day by day, every 6 months, every 3 months, they are giving new features. So maybe down the line, whatever we are seeing, right, 50%, maybe 30% changes will be there. Down the line after 3 years, 30% changes will be there. So maybe the stabilization will be happen after 5 years. That is the reason every 3 months they are releasing the new versions.
In real time, these activities will do by functional content or technical.
We need to prepare the document like how to create the ESS job and steps, screenshots we need to mention. And the team lead or project manager, whoever are access prod, they will enter. Maybe they will involve in the call and they will ask to.
Okay. They won't provide the credentials to us, right?
No, they will not provide the credentials in the Zoom call. Because I had a situation I'm telling. So they are in the Zoom call. So they are going to enter the whatever the ESS jobs we have created. Right? So they will enter in the live, and we are going to help any issues will come.
Okay. I mean, in your current situation, how many instances they have provided, Vamsi? Either only dev one production or either
same like dev like this one.
I mean, UAT or CRT.
Yeah, same. It is there, same.
Okay.
See that rework only, but still Oracle not given option. We have to do that only. You enter the billable hours, Narendra.
But same repeating work, right?
You enter 4 hours, Narendra, no problem, na?
Yeah.
4 hours in CRP, 4 hours in UAT, 4 hours in production.
Yes.
No need to worry on that. Thank you guys, take care.